It's quite an honor for Prague, because this is like third time the Goldschmidt is in Prague, which is like the first city ever that made it three times. I mean, it's like a Central Europe, so it's very reachable by all means of transportation, and people and the scientists, they like it actually. You know, they like Prague, they like the convention center, and they like how the people of the convention center and also the local supporting organizations, they really they provide much support for the Goldschmidt. Yeah, so that's really something that also the people from the conference organization committees, they really enjoy. Yeah, scientifically, then the convention center becomes a melting pot, you know, for all these, you know, exchange communications, workshops, you know, where the people get new things, and they also exchange ideas there, because this is what the conference is made for. You know, that you have to meet in person, and then you talk, make new ideas, you know, pave the pathways for the future research. You know, you see a lot of new technical developments which people can then apply when they just talk together. And culturally, you know, Prague is rich in buildings, you know, history. So this is a rich history of 3,000 or 4,000 years. So there is a lot of history, you know, and you see all these the Prague castle just around, you know, you see it. So I think they culturally are really fine. You know, this is like a multicultural city these years. So I think I hope the attendees enjoy this also this side, not only the science.